So guys, today we are going for a short hike at Ravnedalen, which is close to this Kristiansand city of Norway. And we just been here because the weather is quite sunny. Hope we will enjoy this hike. This is the way from Ravnedalen, and it's a quite beautiful hike. So guys, where are you today?
Ravnedalen.
Oh, and Aribai?
I don't know.
You can see the water. And this is the way. And it's good, known for the swimming. Ravnedalen. You can see these two guys are walking. So nice. अन्दाज कता हो त आज
आज चाहिँ हामी रामदालन भन्ने ठाउँमा छौँ आज थाहा छ नि मौसम इज गुड एन्ड आफ्टर लङ आई थिङ्क
It's been so long.
weeks we haven't
Not only
anything.
2 weeks.
I think
I
so
have been
too.
in the room
Yeah,
for like
we have a lot of works.
three weeks, I think.
Yeah, it's almost 3 weeks now. So we
And
have
how
been-
you're feeling?
Yeah, I'm feeling good.
Finally, we are on the
Chill out.
way. These guys are talking about this place. They don't know either, but they try to talk about this place. Do you think this is the difficult one? I don't think this one is difficult, my friend. This is no. This one. I never believe you guys. Uh-huh.
Manoj,
Yeah.
he doesn't know that we are from the country of suspension
Suspension,
bridge,
yeah.
and we have the very longest.
Because we are geographically highest. So you guys want to take some rest? Or just need to.
You want rest?
No, I don't need rest.
Another very difficult part.
No. Nothing is difficult when you go out for outing. First, let's go in that main.
You have to
See. Yeah. You said you have been here in December.
No, not this part. Only that part. Oh, maybe.
Yes. You want to jump from here? Or let's go. Yes. The weather is good. That's why we are here, guys. We can see this lake. Let's see we can get some fishes. Yeah, no, it's a lake. It's the same thing happens.
We still need to wait. We lost our way. Huh? But I think we will get it soon. Yeah? By the way, the temperature is not good, but the gauge is good.
Yeah, this is the right way. Finally. We got it.
Please go on. We are lost. in the middle of the forest.
This is what we are doing is not good because of this corona. Right place now. Yeah, I think there is cycling, and these are the markers for the cycling route. Now finally we are on the way of Ravnedalen. There is no corona no more.
You guys,
Just keep 1 centimeter distance.
1 meter distance.
No 1 centimeter
In
now.
Norway recently they are saying that
2 meters.
not more than 2 people.
Yeah. But now look,
But we are still.
this is kind of hiking route we should develop in most of the country. Because we can see you can walk in.
Critics.
Yeah, he's the biggest critics.
This is
And from my point. So guys, you are tired. You need some rest.
No,
Keep on moving then. Keep on moving. Yeah.
Norway hiking and trekking is the most common activities in their social life. They like a lot of outdoor activities. And we are just, and if they find this kind of days, they just don't miss it.
In a few
Just
minutes
take
we
it,
will. That is the photo shoot mode. Guys, why are you running like this? And it's like a cave. It's surrounded by the hills, and it's like a cave. And it's so beautiful. Now you can see. The water is coming from the middle of this rock. I liked it. I liked it. As to you can see the beautiful landscape. Wow. You can feel it. Nice wooden house. Let's welcome Mr. Arif for his special performance of Bangladesh. What? Hey man, you did an excellent job making this beautiful. 1830 to 1940s. Wow, there is a cannon and a binocular. You can see the whole Kristiansand city. Ooh. Hello. This is the Hi guys, thank you for supporting us.